how to fix plugged-in headphones not working on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you several different steps that hopefully fix an issue where you have headphones plugged in either through an adapter or straight into the connector, and they're not being registered by your iPhone or they're not getting sound through them. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I would recommend doing is opening up the control center. You can do that by swiping down from the top right and see this little headphone icon. That means that the connection to my headphones is working. So if when you plug in your adapter or your headphones directly into your iPhone, you're not seeing that, that means that there's something going on either with the connector or with the settings on our iPhone. We need to fix that. So if you're not seeing that, try to plug it in again, maybe turn it around and try to plug it in. Additionally, I would look at the connectors, make sure that there's no dirt or grime on this, try to clean it off a little bit if you can, just to ensure that it's not blocking the connection from working. So try to plug it in again and see if it works. Additionally, here where it says now playing, just select the little icon right there and look for the headphones icon. Maybe it's not automatically selecting it. So if your plug-in headphones are still not working after that, what I recommend doing next is going to the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and you want to select sounds and haptics. Then in sound and haptics, scroll down all the way to the bottom and select headphone safety. After that, select lightning adapters. And this is if you're using an adapter. So first, toggle on connected to headphones. So sometimes these adapters, when you plug it in the first time, you could configure it to be plugged into other devices. So just toggle on connected to headphones, and you can also forget all adapters, and that can do this as well. So first toggle it on. If that doesn't work, forget all adapters and try that. After that, if it's still not working, go back, and we just want to go to General. And in General, go to Software Update and just check to see if there are any software updates available for your iPhone. Getting the latest version of iOS can fix these issues. Now, if you're still getting this issue where the plug-in headphones are still not working, just try a quick reboot of your iPhone. And you can do that by holding the power button and the volume up button just for a second or two. You'll see this. Go ahead and slide it off. Then once the screen is completely black, hold down the power button until you see the Apple icon. And after that, try plugging in your headphones and seeing if they work, and hopefully they work. If they don't, I would either recommend getting a new adapter because it might be something broken with that. Your headphones might be broken, or if you're using earbuds that plug directly into your iPhone, it may be something wrong with those. Try a different phone, try a different set of headphones, something like that, because it's probably your device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.